How to pull money from Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to pull money from Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app where you can send, request, and manage your money. From here, tap on the Money tab, which is the $ icon found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you into the Money section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Cash App Money section, where you can view your cash balance, add money, and see options like Cash App Green and your Cash App card. Next, tap on Withdraw, which sits right next to the Add Money button. After tapping it, you will land on a page where you can key in the amount you want to pull out of your Cash App balance. Go ahead and type in the amount using the keypad, then tap Withdraw once you are happy with the figure. Here, Cash App will ask, how do you want to withdraw? And give you two choices for getting your money out. The first option is Standard, which is free of charge but takes until the next business day to land in your bank. The second option is Instant, which sends the money right away but comes with a small fee. Pick whichever option works best for your situation, then confirm your choice. Once confirmed, Cash App processes the withdrawal and sends your money straight to your linked debit card or bank account. Thanks. I hope this tutorial helped you pull money from Cash App. That is, how to pull money from Cash App.